Hey guys, today is the 15th of July and I'm happy. You can see it on the face because I'm going to the Alps. I'm going to Switzerland and to all these beautiful passes. It was a spontaneous trip because this weekend is free. We don't have anything, no seminars, no work, no nothing. And the weather will be perfect. I'm just taking this bag with me, the small one and this one, because I want to put it like this on the bike so I can go through. It's weekend and it could be that there's a lot of traffic. So I just take it like this on the bike and then I have more space and I can go around. All the stuff I already prepared yesterday. I came from work at 12, worked already, and now I'm free. Now I can go. The famous tuna. There's some bread and nuts, some water, but the plan now is to go to Zurich from Stuttgart and then go through these lakes here in Switzerland and go to the first pass. The name is unpronounceable. It's Iberek something pass, and then the Klausen pass is here. I will go up and down there and then go to Gotthard maybe, and from Gotthard to Nuffenen pass and then to Richten. It's where I'm gonna sleep. There's a Airbnb that I got. It's supposed to be a really old house, like 200 years old. I'm really curious how it's gonna look like. It was very cheap. I don't expect anything special, but we'll see. And tomorrow we will go around all these nice passes like Furka and Zusten and all the beautiful passes here. And on the way back maybe something like this through Lago Maggiore, maybe not, maybe Italy. We will see. Okay, I think I will pack everything at the bike, get dressed and see you downstairs. We'll show you how I fix everything with the luggage and we go to the Alps. Okay guys, this is how everything looks. I put the big bag here, like I told you, so I stay skinny and can go through the cars, the traffic jam. Just put it here, the bag, the food is in here. Phone, not too much stuff. I forgot to tell you that I changed the brakes. They're completely new brakes here at the rear and on the front also. I changed the pads yesterday in the evening. Also new spark plugs, and cleaned the bike and tightened the chain for the trip and cleaned everything, so it should be fine. Let's go. I got stopped. They're checking my papers. I hope I can go, but everything should be fine. My papers are fine, I hope. Okay, let's see what he says. Still 1 hour 50 minutes to the first pass. You can go. He checked. Everything is fine. First time they checked my papers. Первый раз, что меня проверили здесь. Switzerland. Did we get gas here? Yeah, we're stopping already. It's fine. Done. Let's go. Let's go to the Alps. Let's go to the mountains. Let's go to the one of the most beautiful places in the world. 1.5 hours till the mountains. Vamos. Alps! I missed it so much. Going to be really beautiful now. in a few kilometers. Okay guys, I'm at the first pass. Überregg, something. Can't pronounce it. But everything's fine, the brakes are braking, the luggage is solid here, and we can go. It's nice because there were no cars for 2 minutes now. Oh, of course, if I say there were no cars, there are cars. It's fine. We will overtake them. Let's go. First pass. Enjoy, guys. Need to make a picture here. It's no option. It's not optional. We came down the first pass. It was a nice one, easy one, not too hard, not too bad. Just to get used to it, you know, because it's different. You don't need to ride passes after a longer time. And I'm really glad that I didn't take the top case, because with the bag here it's much easier. The point of gravity is lower, so it's easier to maneuver the bike, and it's more fun in the corners. So I think I did everything right. Now we are going to Klausenpass. It's a beautiful one also. I have a video already of Klausenpass on my channel. But we will go up there and down, because we have to return to go to Nuffnenpass, to the place, close to the place where I will stay in this Airbnb. So let's go to Klausenpass. It's around 30 kilometers. But it's nice here because there are mountains everywhere, lakes everywhere, so it's not bad, you know. It's nice to ride here. Switzerland is so beautiful. I like it so much. It's really nice. We are considering, if we are not going to get the praxis, we will move to Switzerland and work here, because you earn a lot when if you are a psychotherapist. So maybe we will do that. Klausenpass. We have Klausenpass here at the beginning. Really beautiful. You will see. Looks like a video game here. Let's have a break, you know? I think it's a good spot to have a break. Or not? I think it is. the perfect spot. A break. There are too many people here. I'm not gonna have my break here. Let's go somewhere else. I'd like to go up there, but I think I will get in trouble. It's a nice spot, but there's too much going on here. So I will go up the mountain again. Have to go back anyway and have my dinner somewhere up there. Gotthard is pretty full, the pass, because there is a traffic jam on the tunnel, Gotthard tunnel. I dropped the bike. Уронил мотоцикл, блин. Хотел развернуться. Ай. Mann. Scheiße. Let's see the damage. Try this shitty thing. This AliExpress thing. Garbage. Mann! So eine Kacke. So eine Scheiße. Помогают все-таки. These things help. Drops on here. Still annoying. Now I have to change this shit again. Look at this. Ну ладно. Baby, I'm sorry. I think nothing else happened. There's something, some liquid, but I don't think it's nothing serious. Dropped it down here. No, it's fine. I think it's in here. Yeah, they help. They help these things. But this snapped, of course. But this is Chinese garbage. What do you expect? Okay. Let's go. Let's see what this is. I think it's water. I hope it's gonna work. Well, don't drop it again, stupido. take a picture here. Let's do that. These little stones are not the best pavement for cornering, especially if they're wet. We have still one pass after this one. It's Nuffelen. And on the top I think I will have my dinner, my tuna, because I didn't eat. I was afraid the time will be, because you never know on the passes how long it takes. So I didn't eat till now and I'm really hungry. And then I will check in and hopefully find this place, because it's not easy, he said, to find, but we will find it. And tomorrow the whole day is gonna be amazing, because there are so many passes, like 10 passes or maybe 8 passes, but Grimsel, Furka, Sustenpass, Nuffelen again, then other passes there, Andermatt, there are so many. It's just the right corner for going on passes. So it will be a nice day. Tonight I will check in, maybe show you around, maybe check the bike again from the fall, with nothing damaged, and then maybe have a beer, maybe not, and go to sleep, because I want to get up really early. I want to enjoy the whole day. I can sleep at home. Okay, let's go to Nuffelen Pass. We are fighting. Don't fight, guys. Why are you fighting? How cool is this? Sorry guys. We are at the top of Nuffelen Pass. In the Nuffelen. We are really close to the Airbnb. We just need to go down. It's nice, but I would prefer to be alone somewhere, not with 100,000 other camper. Let's take one picture here and then go home. It's a nice spot. Yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, today we have some bread, we have tuna, of course, and some water. I was thinking it's the perfect spot here to have dinner. I'm almost at the Airbnb because I need to go around 14-15 kilometers. I did 500, I think. I will show you later at the hotel, at Airbnb. It's sunset, so it's nice. I think I will enjoy it. Don't want to film also too much here because it's a really nice place, and I will just sit, have my tuna and enjoy. And I see you down there on the bike. We go down the Nuffelen Pass and we'll try to find this hotel. The bike is there. Bye bye. Okay, let's go to the Airbnb. Поехали в Airbnb. Dinner was perfect here. Вниз по Nuffelen, down the Nuffelen Pass. for Airbnb. This is the village. Not going to be easy, I guess. Furka, Grimsel, yay! Tomorrow. Today I had enough. Almost 500 kilometers. I left at 12, 30, 40. And now it's, yeah, 8-9 hours. Okay, let's search for the place. It should be a house, just a house. Number 4. We'll see. I was here before. I passed here, I think. I think I missed it. Let's search. It should be an old house. Hallo, ich suche das Haus Nummer 4. Gibt es hier ein Haus Nummer 4? Ist es das da? Das da. Dankeschön. Da ist eine Einfahrt. Da wo die Mopeds stehen. Fahren Sie hier nochmal ein Karree. Okay, alles klar, Dankeschön. Наверное, это здесь. Okay.
Vielleicht stellen Sie es noch ein bisschen näher ran, weil hier
Autos vorbeifahren? Ja.
Ja, und dass die Feuerwehr durchkommt. Was ist? Die Treppe hoch und dort die erste Tür, die dann kommt.
Okay.
Glaube ich, grün oder so.
Vielen Dank, Dankeschön. Super cool. Дом очень крутой, конечно, да. Пойдем искать Томаса. Let's go search for Thomas. Carrera GTS. Just walking here back home from this, can you call it party? I don't know, but there was some celebrations and I went with my host. It was really nice, it was really interesting. I'm walking home, but it's so funny what kind of car you see in the back of the houses here, the small old ones. This house, it's really old, 220 years old, and interesting. Can I pass here? I think so. I will show you in the morning. Oh, no. My bike is still there. Yes. Good night, baby. Okay, guys. I go upstairs. I will show you the house tomorrow. It's really interesting. And good night for today. It's almost 7. Just woke up. I wanted to show you how I close my room. If you see it, it's just a piece of wood. This house is so cold, it's so old. It's 220 years old. Very rustical, very interesting. The plan now is I will plan the room and then go to all the passes here. So no breakfast, I will have breakfast later somewhere on the mountain, and I see you downstairs. Living room, pечка, the oven, not the oven, but is it the oven? I think. Mountain view. As I said, 200 years old house, 200 лет дому. Печка. This is how you cook. Так ты готовишь. Let's go outside. Пойдемте наверх, на улицу. Some skis, лыжи, and to walk on the snow, these shoes, because he said it's 3 meters, the snow is here in winter. Хост рассказывал то, что 3 метра здесь снег зимой. All these houses are around 200-220 years old. Все эти дома где-то примерно 220 лет. And these things you see, I was always asking, why is it like this on the stones, the house? That's for the mice. They had corn and food in these houses, and the mouse cannot go up. Really simple, but good solution. More bikers. I did around 500 kilometers yesterday, I think. Let me check. Yeah, almost 500. It was a nice day. We also went out with the host of the house, Thomas. He took me, there was a party. You saw the video when I walked home. It was really interesting in this small village. Okay, I will get ready and go to the passes. There are like 10 passes now today. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Some fun. Поехали кататься. This is how we go. Как мы поедем. Furka is the first one. Furka pass is the first pass. look, it's almost 2,500 meters high above sea level. Now we can go down. First pass of today, of many passes. This is actually post. You can draw the letters in there. Like the historical one. It says on the back. Somehow you have to overtake it. Stuff. From the other side, a deep drop. There it goes on this side. Water. Check again. This little wall can hold so much water, so much pressure. Oh, there's a sign. Okay, still. Whoa, sand. Still I can go here. Don't have food next to the river. I think it's not too bad here to have lunch. It's 11, but it's lunchtime for me because I didn't have breakfast. Oh. Yeah, there's a river. We find some shadow also. I like all the ticks here, I think. And have tuna. Today's lunch is tuna again with some bread at this spot. I think it's as good as any other spot here. View of the mountains, really nice. Very modest lunch. Maybe I have 2 tunas. And the plan now is to relax here for about 20 minutes, I think. Maybe half an hour. Maybe take a really short nap and then keep going. Like now we have to go back to Furka pass, and it's about 60 kilometers, but there will be passes on the way, and then go around to Grimsel and some other passes. We will ride today till dark and then ride some more. I think it will be whole day just riding. I love these places. Every time, every lunch, every breakfast, every dinner, it's just amazing spot, amazing place. I'm lucky with this stuff. I miss it so much in winter when I cannot go to the mountains. Sometimes I go in my head, you know, if you have a bad day, just do, like, imagine you're in the mountains sitting somewhere with your tuna, just watching the mountains, just breathing the air, listening to the water. It's so nice, it's so relaxing. I feel home here. I truly do. Okay guys, now I will get my jacket, put it here in the shadow and take a nap for 15 minutes. And then we go back to the passes, and there's a lot of stuff still coming. But first I think I will have another tuna. Bye bye. So we ate we drink, we did everything, now we can go. It's a little bit sandy here. What's a nice rally. Nou, daar je thuis. You have to go. Ah, what an awesome place it is here, Sustenpass. Okay, from Sustenpass you have to take this left turn or right turn, depends on where you're coming from, and go this small path. It's so beautiful here. Jesus, look at this. High orgasm, really. It's not even like close on the video, I think. Yeah, it looks nice, but the smell like of this fresh air, the wind, the coolness, it's so nice. Alps are really my favorite place on earth. Like for motorcycle riders, especially if you're riding on the paved roads, not off-road, Alps is the best thing in the world, I think. I've been to so many countries, and I still say for motorcycling, Alps is the best. And especially Switzerland, it's crème de la crème. Let's move here in 2-3 years. Not here, but in Switzerland, to Switzerland. Yeah, we have to go. I would like to stay at every place, like for half an hour or 1 hour or more. But I have still some new roads I didn't see, so it will be interesting. Just hard to live here. It's 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. We still have, I think, like 200 kilometers. We will see. I will go now to Grimsel, I think, or before Grimsel I have 2 more passes. It depends on how she's gonna show it to me. Look at this. Every corner I want to take a picture. Every 10 meters I want to stop and record something. Yeah, I think it will be really late at home, but it's fine. With these roads you can ride all day long. I'm riding from 8, 1 break, and I don't feel tired at all. I just want to go farther and farther to see more. If you go on the Autobahn in Germany, it's like 1 hour, you think, oh my god, I'm dying. But here, enough. Here I can ride for hours. Look at this. So beautiful. I have to come with Albina here. I didn't see these passes. Just to hike somewhere in the mountains. Okay guys, let's go back to Sustenpass, to the main road, and then go down Sustenpass. I have it on my channel already, the video Sustenpass, and I'm not gonna film here too much, so you can watch it there. Let's go! Here 10-15 minutes and then we go. We still have 3 more passes. This one down here, then Grimsel Pass and Nufingen Pass. We just chill for 10 minutes and then we go again. Grimsel Pass is very famous for these lakes, and there are always clouds here, and the mountains are also special somehow. If you can see it, I don't know, when we go down soon after the pass, you will see it's really awesome. It's dinner time at this place. It's the Furka Pass, if you know which one it is. In the back there is Grimsel Pass. It's just next to the road on the top. I walked up this mountain and there's nothing here. Just I'm sitting, enjoying, and It's almost 8, I think. It's past 7. And my dinner is Coke Zero, some fish in tomato sauce, and I don't know, something sweet. I deserved it today. It was an awesome day. I just wanted to tell you. 450 kilometers, no straight roads at all, nothing. 10 passes, I think. I left at around 8 and I will come back around 8, so 12 hours just riding, maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hours break, not more, and the rest was riding. I think it's good. 450 kilometers just for passes, it's really good. It was an awesome day, just like how I imagined. The weather was perfect, everything was perfect, the roads are perfect, the condition, everything was nice. You will see it in the video. I think it's also a nice spot here to say goodbye for today. Tomorrow, right, tomorrow we go home. Tomorrow is Sunday, and we will be going home really early in the morning. On the way we'll go to 2 passes, I think. I'll go through Nuffenen and Gotthard, maybe the other ones, maybe also Furkai. I don't know, but I will do 2 of them, and then go home to Zurich, and then back to Stuttgart, back home. It's over, vacation is over. It wasn't vacation, it was just weekend, and it's so nice that I live close by now from Stuttgart. Soon I will be even closer. Next year you will see if you follow my channel. Okay guys, I will enjoy my food and you enjoy the view, and I hope you enjoyed the view today. Good morning guys, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm leaving, it's early. I packed everything is already on the bike. Just take this water and go. We will go now to Nuffenen Pass, then Gotthard, and then to Zurich, I think, and then back home. By my beautiful house. It was really nice to stay here. Okay. I took everything. Все взял вроде. Здесь also nothing, huh? Okay, as I said, 7 o'clock in the morning. We will go now to Nuffenen Pass, then Gotthard Pass. We didn't go to Gotthard yet on this trip. Then what else? Then we will go to Zurich through the mountains, and from Zurich there are no mountains anymore, so I will go on the Autobahn, on the highway, and go home. The bike is checked. Everything is fine. I sprayed the chain yesterday, it should run smoothly. This was so stupid, but okay. Okay guys, let's go back home. So, the Nuffenen is right there, just next to the house. It's really nice, yeah. The village was beautiful, the stay was beautiful, everything was so nice. But we need to go home. We will go to Nuffenen now, right now. It's over there, we're going up. And Gotthard, and Zurich, and Schaffhausen, close the border, and go home back to Stuttgart. Don't want to leave here. Alps are love, Alps is home, but we need to. Okay guys, see you up there in the mountains, and let's go home. Enjoy the last passes. I'll show you some view here. Questi lights. Now we'll go down and then go up the Gotthard Pass. Die are so strong. Top of some Gotthard Pass. It's not the nicest pass to ride, not as beautiful as the other ones, but it's a very important one. It has been an important one till they made the tunnel, the 17 kilometers tunnel. You saw it in the video of Lago Maggiore, the last one, the last trip with Albina. We went through because this pass was closed. It was April. There was too much snow, I guess. But the surroundings are still nice. The pass to drive is not the best. It's like too big, not enough corners. But still, beautiful surroundings. The nature is nice. I found this little road. I want to go down there and see what's up there, down there. Like a little pass. Let's see. It's the last pass. Now we just go through the mountains. They're not big passes anymore. It's just a small one, like small roads. Not the highway, but small roads till Zurich. And then from Zurich there are no mountains anymore, so we go on the highway and go home. Okay guys, we're in Zurich. Back to Zurich. Now we will go to the highway. It's one of the most beautiful, not one of the best cities to live in. I read there was a rating. That's why I wanted to show it to you. And yeah, there was a rating, and the first one was I think in Denmark somewhere, Copenhagen or something. But Zurich was under the top 3. I don't know which countries they are participating, but yeah, Zurich was one of them. Now we will go to the Autobahn, or the highway. I said goodbye to the mountains, and then from there we will go to Schaffhausen, and then it's really close to the border to Germany. We go to Gottmarding. From Gottmarding we will cross the border and then go to Stuttgart. We are leaving Switzerland. This is the border, just like that. We are in Germany. Nice, no? Now on the Autobahn and back home to Stuttgart. Germany. Germany. Okay, thank you Switzerland. Bye bye. Okay, we are back home, back in Stuttgart. It's noon. I'm hungry. I hope Albina did something. I did 1,400 kilometers on this trip. It was awesome. It was really nice. These 3 days, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now I still have enough time to chillax, to do everything. It was really great. Thanks for watching, guys. I think I will I will end the video here, but I will see you in the next one. We are planning to go, for example, in 3-4 weeks to Croatia, and I will go to the Alps and maybe go to the Alps also again, or somewhere else. In September we have also vacation. I don't know where we go, maybe Italy, but let's see. It's maybe on the bike. Croatia should be on the bike for sure. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I have a 5 seconds more bonus clip for you at the end, but I see you next time. Bye bye.